Today's practice is Shambhavi Mudra. Shambhavi Mudra. Siddha Yogi and sages, they used to practice this to awaken Ajna Chakra. Ajna Chakra is also called Guru's Chakra, Divya Drishti, and intelligence, wisdom it develops. In yoga, the most important chakra, yes, it is Sahasrara, but for us people, it is Ajna Chakra. We are samsari people, we are living in society. So to awaken or at least to energize this center, Shambhavi Mudra is practiced. Please remember, whoever is having any severe eye problem will not practice Shambhavi Mudra keeping eyes open. They can practice keeping eyes closed and visualizing light at this point. So, how to practice Shambhavi Mudra? When you will be practicing, you have to take out specs. Now, we practice together. Tip of the thumb is on the nose tip. Keep on looking at the tip. Then, in between the eyebrow center. Now, close the eyes. This is one round. Again, second round, same way we practice. Thumb tip is on the nose tip. Take hand up. Keep at eyebrow center. Look at the tip of the thumb. Then take out your hand. See. And then close the eyes. One more time. Now keep hands on the knees. Keep hands on the knees. And just look at the eyebrow center. Close the eyes. Wait for some time. Wait. Let eyes relax. Again. With the help of the thumb, we practice. At the tip of the nose, take thumb up, look at eyebrow center, maintain for some time. Then close the eyes, keep the hands on the knees. It is said that Shambhavi Mudra opens up certain channels which help to open up Ajna Chakra. On physical level, the tension from the body, particularly mental tensions, can be released, and person develops sixth sense. You can say deep understanding of the events of life. One more time we practice. Now keep hands on the knees only. Just gently open the eyes and look at the eyebrow center. Then close the eyes. Just be peaceful. Today, our subject is on gratitude. We rarely remember and express our feelings of gratitude to people who have helped us make life qualitative or given us joy and happiness. We have become wiser, matured, and experienced because of numerous such people who have touched our life. Practicing thankfulness daily can prolong that pleasure that caused us to be grateful in the first place. Relive those pleasurable moments. Expressing gratitude is a state of grace. If you concentrate on finding whatever is good in every situation, you will discover that your life suddenly be filled with gratitude, a feeling that nurtures the soul. This moment is gift of life. I am grateful to be alive. The stream of openness and love begins when you open your heart to give without expecting anything in return. Expressing gratitude is a contemplative meditation. Sit in comfortable position of your choice on the mat or on chair. Keep the spine in natural shape. Be relaxed. Keep your mind open. And repeat in mind, I am blessed by the Almighty and I am grateful for receiving the magnificent, unique experience of life. This moment is a gift of life. I am thankful to be alive. I fondly remember my parents, their unconditional love, which is the supreme gift that I adore and cherish. I am blessed and thankful for their guidance, values, love, and discipline. I bow to my Guru. My humble pranam. I am expressing my respect, affection, and devotion for showing and guiding me on the spiritual path. I remember the teachers, guides who helped me in becoming knowledgeable and wiser. Their special teachings are engraved on my heart. This is the treasure I cherish. I remember them with a lot of respect, affection, and gratitude. All the people, relatives, friends, and my colleagues, I appreciate their support, help, guidance, love, and friendship. Through these people, I have learned how to behave, and my life has been enriched with these different experiences. I lead a qualitative life, and I decide to make it better and better each day. I am eternally grateful to the earth and nature. Until now, I have abused it in many ways. I ask for forgiveness. I cherish and give my heartfelt thanks to the universe. Such a magnificent creation. The most incredible is the creation of human beings with different personalities, different thinking, and with tremendous potential, with divine emotions. I bow to this universe for the very fulfilling experience of life. I am living and again very thankful for this very moment. I consider it as the gift of the divine. Become aware of your surroundings. Slowly move your fingers, toes. Awareness of breath. Gently come out of meditation and look at this beautiful world that has given you all these wonderful things. Hari Om.